Here's a look at Viper radar right now to the north and east of Lexington, and then to the west of Lexington, where we are tracking the rain at the moment. Notice that lightning strike there, not too far away from Lexington, and that leads to some heavier rain as you head up towards Bourbon County and also there into Harrison County. Just moved through Scott County, but that lightning strike right there, see how far it is from Lexington? Just shy of 15 miles from downtown. And this is the alert I just got on my phone. Lightning was detected within 15 miles of Lexington on our ABC 36 weather app. So that is a great tool to have. Scan that QR code, search ABC 36 weather, the Apple App Store, Google Play, and you can get that app yourself. And it'd be great to have on a day like today when we say to stay weather aware. It's a great way to do it. So we still have storms to the west. These will be moving off towards the east and impacting us later this morning. Not going to be our main severe weather threat today, though these storms are on the stronger end. So keep that in mind. Again, this is out ahead of it's outrunning the cold front. So not too concerned about these storms becoming severe. It's these storms that are firing up northeast Arkansas, southeast Missouri, right along the surface front. As it moves eastward, it's going to cause those storms to move east as well. Severe weather threat today through tonight, a level 2 risk out for most of the ABC 36 viewing area. Damaging wind gusts are primary severe weather threat. Some isolated large hail could also be possible. And then there's going to be the potential for some rotating storms as well. And that's something we're going to be tracking for you. Futurecast. One thing about Futurecast, this morning run at least, it's not picking up on the morning activity. So that's likely to impact how the rest of the day looks, considering we have that line of storms out there this morning. It does show, though, notice here's that second round on the way during your mid to late afternoon. These will likely be the strongest of the storms. And I think even though Futurecast is not picking up on the morning rain, it's still picking up on what's going to likely happen with that round of storms moving in during the late afternoon. So unfortunately, my clicker just died, so I'm going to have to go get a new one. But we do have the potential for these storms moving on in during your late afternoon, early evening. Later into the evening hours, we're going to be experiencing some isolated showers, nothing widespread. And by the time your Wednesday morning rolls around, we're left with some rain south and east of Lexington. Notice how north and west of Lexington, not seeing as much activity. It's south and east of town tomorrow that we'll see the majority of the showers. And then on Thursday, starting to see some tropical moisture pushing into the area, especially by the mid to late day, I think, though Futurecast is not picking up on that. So rainfall totals with the system today into tomorrow around a ½ inch to an inch, and then we're going to start to see those totals increasing as you head into Friday and Saturday, as this system, which is still a potential tropical cyclone, as it moves off towards the north into the Gulf of Mexico, it's expected to rapidly intensify into a major hurricane. And then the remnants of the system likely to push our direction because of this upper level low. Watch as this upper level low pulls this system to the north, and eventually it's going to be pivoting and kind of pinwheeling right around that upper level low before these two systems begin to merge, and then that's going to lead to some heavier rainfall amounts for us. So widespread 2 to 4 inches worth of rain, and we've just updated that. That's 4+ inches possible over the next 7 days into southern Kentucky. There's a look at your full 7-day forecast. It's breezy conditions Friday. That is as the tropical moisture pushes into the area.